235 Center Road update video. As you can see, your driveway's looking new. We're going to paint the stripes, so I think they're going to do that tomorrow. But you can see it's all been re-coated. This helps it last for a long time. You certainly don't want to replace it. So we got it all recoated for you. You can see right up there where they can't get in. But we're going to let it dry. And then he's going to paint. The stripes are right there. You can see them. So we'll paint those. And we'll be good to go. So that is, let's go upstairs here. So that's good there. Let's go upstairs. Alright, a little dark down here. We're in the basement. We'll go up these stairs right here. And they got a little bit more to do, so but they're going to be over tomorrow. This apartment will definitely be done this weekend. We're just bringing a couple other guys over here. We had to get that vanity ordered, which we did. So that's coming in. Here's the new flooring for it. So you can see we got all the new flooring. That's the new toilet. There's a new one over there we're going to be putting in. The old one's there. And by the way, they let this dry. They're putting another coat on the door. Here's all the boxes that we're going to get rid of. But you can see that flooring goes into here. It's really good. It's really nice and all that. So they got to finish a few things in here tomorrow, painting. And you can see here's the flooring. So this has got the rubber on the back. It's a really nice thick flooring, so it'll last. It's waterproof. 6-year guarantee on this one, so that's good. Stuff is really good. It'll last. And he's going to get the new flooring here. Going to finish the cabinets, and they're going to get all that done. And then I'll show you the tub in here. That was sprayed. So there's the tub. There's your new tub. It looks brand new. So you see all that's done. He wrapped it, so all that is finished there. So that looks like a new tub. We'll put the new flooring in. We'll get the new vanity in, and we'll be done. So there's just not that much more to go here. Let's just bring the guy over and finish it up tomorrow. But they will have it done, and I hope to have you the final stuff on Monday or Tuesday, so we can put this baby on the market, get it rented, and get this moving. Thanks, and we'll get you another picture of the driveway too. Thanks. Have a great day.